Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install applications on your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. So we cannot directly install applications on this TV in the usual meaning of this word. So we do not install or uninstall applications. Instead, we rely on first of all network services, and secondary on pinning and unpinning applications to our home screen or apps screen. But to add new applications, you have to navigate down to apps menu, select add more, and now here you have the list of different apps. You can also access market to see even more applications. Still, we have pretty modest list of available applications. So if you want to have more, navigate to App Store, select it, and then select Add to Apps. Or you can also add it from the Apps menu to the home screen. Just select App Store in the Apps menu and select Add to Home. Okay, this way we'll have easy access to it. Now we can't download apps from the App Store, but we can launch it from there, and we'll have a wider variety of different applications in the App Store. So let's launch it from the home menu, and in the App Store we'll have 10 pages of different applications in different languages, all of which we can easily launch. All we have to do is check this checkbox to confirm and that we are informed about terms of use, then click OK. And after that, we can categorize apps. As you can see, we have popular apps, recent apps, we have video apps, sports, news, etc. We can also search for different applications by using the search tab and the virtual keyboard we have here. We can also buy videos here, by the way, so movies, TV shows, music, etc. But we are interested in apps, and so to open any app here, for example this chess application, just select it, click OK, and wait until it's opened. And yeah, we can fully use it, but the only way to access it is through this App Store, which we have to enter every time from the home screen. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.